G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's. Today I'm showing you this Nature Hike outdoor titanium pot.
Hit it.
This pot's got a durable titanium construction, 800 mils capacity. It's got a lid with strainer holes so you can drain your pasta, and comes complete in a little carry bag for storage. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. This is Nature Hike's titanium outdoor pot in my hand here. It comes complete with a little mesh carry bag here and a drawstring on top, so if you do want to store things inside, you can put it in the bag and that bag's going to keep the lid on top. Now it weighs about 111 grams, measures about 11.6 centimeters, 11.3 centimeters in diameter and about 8 centimeters high here, and it's 800 ml capacity when you fill it right to the very top here. Durable titanium construction, so made to be lightweight and tough. So you can flex it a little bit, but I've got to put a fair bit of effort in to flex that. So it is made specifically for hikers. You can use it for camping as well, but nice and compact for hikers. These handles fold out on the side here, wrap around the side when it's in storage and fold out to create a nice lightweight spot to be able to hold it when you're cooking in it. And it's got a little lid on top here with a folding little D-ring on top there, so you can lift it up, or easily lift it up without burning your fingers. Within the lid here too, little strainer holes on the side that can either be to release the heat, or if you have pasta, a small amount of rice or something, and you want to drain the water out, you can tip it up, hold the lid on it and tip up and drain the water out the side. Lid comes off, doesn't have any other use for the lid. You can't use that as a fry pan or anything, but obviously does create efficiency when you're cooking. If you leave this on, helps the water to boil quicker. Not much more to see, just a nice smooth, it's titanium all round, so there's no non-stick coating inside, just titanium all round. Titanium distributes heat reasonably well, but this is a nice thin construction to be lightweight, but still feels nice and tough. You do, however, have a few markers on the side, both ounces and litres. So mid marker here, or the bottom marker is 200 mil, 400 mil here, and then 800 mil, obviously, right to the very top. That is the Nature Hike 800 mil outdoor titanium pot. Great little addition to anyone's compact camp setup. If you've got a small pocket rocket style stove, something nice and compact that doesn't have a massive flame, this is the perfect size to go on top of those little compact stoves that sit on top of the canisters. The Nature Hike Outdoor Titanium Pot. Check them out online at snowys.com.au.